2004 Toyota Sienna map light dome light replacement. This is a special video because I'm upgrading to a LED light by Auxito. You can get these on the Auxito website. You can use them for the map light, glove box light, a door light, whatever takes this style bulb you could use it on. Super bright. So this is a 2004 Toyota Sienna. I have my regular bulbs in here. Try not to let this distract you right here. That's just my camera making it look like that. So here's the LED bulbs I got from Auxito.com. I'll put the link in the description with a promo code as well. Now, when you're doing these lights, basically you got to take these lenses out. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace it, and then I'm going to show you like a kind of like a back-to-back of like the lights to see which one's brighter. These are like a natural daylight. Now these bulbs are, these 194s are the factory ones. These put out like a amber, like kind of yellow, light up, and the whole cars use these, but these new ones are going to be bright, super bright and white light, which I like. So let's go ahead and get this lens off. On an 04 Sienna, you're just going to gently put a very thin flathead and just pop this off like that. Be very careful. Now here's your bulb right here. You got to get this out. It could be a little tricky. Make sure the bulb's off, or otherwise you're going to burn yourself. Or if it was on, wait a minute, because it's going to be hot. You got to pull it out. It's a little hard. It's a little stubborn. Just be patient and you'll get it out. So here's the bulb that is usually in there. We're upgrading to this Auxito LED bulb. Fits in perfectly. Just push it in, and then when you turn this on, you can test the button right here. It's going to be a brighter white daylight kind of light. I like it. Better for at nighttime when you're looking for something, or just for whatever reason, lights up the car. Now go and do the other side. I'm going to do the other side off camera. Here's what they look like. Definitely an upgrade, and I'm going to go and show you back to back what they look like. Definitely brighter at nighttime especially, so check in the description for links, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video.